Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Grand Academy. And in today's video, guys, what I'll be doing is I'm walking us through and I'll be showing us 6 different easy Fiverr gigs that you can actually hop on, and you can actually carry out this Fiverr gigs using AI. It's very easy, and with the help of AI, it's gonna be a lot easier than it is already. So I'm gonna show you the 6 different Fiverr gigs. I mean, so basically right now it's gonna be seven different Fiverr gigs, and I'm gonna show you the 1 2 that can actually help you get to the point where you carry out this Fiverr gigs for your clients and make money off it. All right, and each of those gigs I'm going to show you for 1 gig, you can actually make at least as little as $5 to $1,500 if you know what you're doing, right? So it's gonna be a little bit of work because you're going to get to the point where you do a little bit of work too. Yes, it's easy, but you're going to work. So if you're looking for something that you're going to do on Fiverr, and if you're going to be a little bit of creative, if you're going to be creative enough and be smart enough to use AI tools, this video is for you. So I'm going to show us how we're going to be able to do this, and we can actually do this with our smartphone. So all you have to do is have a smartphone, and this is going to work for you. You don't need a laptop to carry out these jobs, but then a laptop is going to be a plus, but you don't really need it necessarily need a laptop to do this, right? So I'm going to go into all of the details right now on the phone screen, and I'm going to like show us everything we need to do. So but before I start showing us all of this, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel basically is that I create awesome videos that actually helps us make money online. You get to the point where you want to make money online, this channel can actually help you get to that point. So if you just see me for the first time, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, as it's going to help us to grow, and it's going to help us, it's going to encourage us to put out more creative videos on how to make money online. All right, and if you like this video, if you're getting value at any point, don't forget to leave us with a like. Leave us with a like, smash that like button right now. And if you have questions, opinions, suggestions, you can actually drop that in the comment section. All right, so I'm going to show us the Fiverr gigs, and I'm going to show us the two that can actually help us start making money. So right, so it was search for this video, it was search for this gig, enhance video quality, and we'll scroll down. We're going to see our enhanced video quality and color, and this person is charging $35 for this gig, $5 for this one. What we're doing basically for this gig, what we can actually do basically is sign up and increase the video quality for clients. And there's actually demand for this because this person here has charges $5 and has done about 506 gigs jobs, right? By just upscaling people's videos. And I'm gonna show you the AI that can actually help you get to the point where you can actually make something of this, right? So we can actually like carry out this and do this. I'm gonna show us all of this, but let me show us the next um Fiverr gig, and the next and the next, and then I'm going to show you the two that can actually help you do all of this. So the next gig right here is AI video creator, and you can see very well that people are actually doing this. This person has done about 166 jobs, right? And this person charged about $100, which is a lot. And this person charges $200 and has done 15 jobs. So basically all you'll be doing here is you actually be using AI to create videos for brands, right? For brands that need your videos, right? So this person charges about 8,005 and has done 96, and has done for 96%. So 8,005 times 96, that's a lot of money. Since you're still starting out, I'm gonna advise you to start with $5 at least, and then upscale. The next easy Fiverr gig on our list here is scripts to video, and you can see that people are already doing this as well. Someone charges $40 and has done about 214 jobs. This person charges about $40 and has done about 360 something job. This person charges $25, at least $15 to $20, $25, $75, $100. This is how much you can actually charge. Since you're still starting out, our advice, you start with $15, which is like the lowest, and then once you start getting reviews and customers, you can actually upscale. So basically, what we're doing is we'll get scripts from the creator who needs us to make a video for them, and then we use AI to actually generate video for them, edit it, and then send it across to them. It's that easy, right? The next one on the list here is custom voice for video, and you can see that people are already doing it. This one is charging about $100, $10, $30, $30, and they do this using PowerPoint. But what if I told you there's an AI that can actually do it better, right? So you're gonna be use you're gonna use the person's voice to get a custom voice, or then any voice of the choice, you can actually get a custom voice for them and then use it for their voice over on their video, and you can actually charge $35 to $50, right? So basically, you're not just going to be doing the custom voice. You're going to also use a custom voice to record an audio for their video. It pays you money, and then it keeps you ahead of your competitors. So instead of just doing the custom AI voiceover, you're using this custom AI voiceover to make videos to make scripts for them, which in return, which they're going to use to actually for the which they're actually going to use for their video, right? So that's it. The next on our list here is product photos. So clients want to have their product put in a beautiful place, looks very sweet, so that it can look appealing to their customers, and they can take pictures of your product and send across to someone and ask this person, please make this picture look very well, and then you use product photos. You do what we call product photos to actually make the product look very fine. So you can say this is a product photo, this here is a product photo. All you have to do is make it look good, put a little bit of things around it, and that is at least a product photo, right? Even if you don't put anything around it, you can make the background to look very, very sweet, and then you have a product photo. So that's basically what you're going to be doing, and please will charge at least $10, $15, $35, $25, $40, even up to $100 doing this particular gig, right? So all you have to do is copy what people who are already in this niche are doing and do it better, right? Take the pictures from them, from your clients, and then in return you give them product photos and you get paid for this. Remember, I told you guys that before the end of the video, I'm gonna show you the AI tool that can actually help you get to the point where you actually carry out this particular gigs for your clients. The next on our list here is AI fashion model, and if you look at this, people want model for their clothing brand, and you know very well that if I'm going to hire someone, if I own a brand and I'm going to hire someone to be a model for my brand, take them pictures, I'm going to spend a lot of money down from hiring the person to getting a good photographer and the editing and all of that. Is going to be a lot of money for me to actually do that. People want to pay less and actually run a proper business. Now, if they have clothes, they have lingeries, they have things they want to actually promote out there, and they need model to do that, to do it for them. All they need to do is get to you on Fiverr and actually charge you, and they actually get you to do this for them. And since other people right here are charging like $15, you can start with $10, charge $10, set up your account, and $10 for this gigs, and then return. Use the AI tool I'm going to show you before the end of this video. So I just realized that I've shown us 6 of these Fiverr gigs, easy Fiverr gigs. Now I'm going to tell us the last one, which is the 7th one, which is where I said you can actually use the tool to actually get a good source of living online and offline. All right, so let me explain this. The next one I'm going to be doing is video editing, and it's the one that pays you the most money, because you can actually charge from $50 to $100 to $1,000 just to edit videos for people, and you don't know where this can take you, right? It can take you very, very far, not just on Fiverr. It can take you anywhere. So people are doing events. People need people who are going to record them, edit videos for them, and create awesome videos. And you know very well that you can actually use a phone to actually edit videos, and you're very good. You're very good at it. So if you love it, video editing, and you want to edit videos, this particular Fiverr gig I'm going to mention is video editing, and it's for you. So you can actually go on Fiverr and check video editing, and people have videos they want you to edit for them. You can actually go ahead and edit for them. Now you can actually position yourself as a brand, as an authority out there, and have yourself edit videos for people. Now, the next slide of this tutorial is going to be showing you how to use AI tool, this particular AI tool, to run all of this Fiverr gigs that I've shown you. So all of these tools is embedded in one particular platform, and it's no other tool than the tool which we all know, and it's CapCut. Now, CapCut Pro has the feature that can actually allow you to carry out all of this tasks, and offer this services to your customers on Fiverr. So if you look at the features right here, you get to find out that all of these features right here, you can actually use them to carry out the 7 Fiverr gigs that I showed you guys right here. We have enhanced video quality. So you have auto enhance right here, which is what you can actually use to enhance video quality. Any video it says, you can actually use it to enhance the quality of the video. If I should go to my gallery right here, you're gonna see the original version of this video. This is how it look. This picture, look at this. This is how it looks, right? This video now, this is how it looks. After enhancing it, it looks like this. after enhancing the video, it looks like this. You can see the difference. It's quite clear. So this feature can actually help you enhance videos, right, for your clients. And you can actually, when you want to save the video, let me show you something here. So for this tool right here, then now, okay, again, some people might be thinking, oh, he's showing us CapCut. We will need to subscribe to this CapCut, pay 12,500 a month for this. No, you don't need to. You don't need to pay for this CapCut. You don't need to like subscribe that amount to actually get to the point where you use this CapCut Pro, or this CapCut Pro version for free. I'm going to show you how you can actually get this CapCut Pro version almost for free. Right, I'm going to show you how you can get it almost for free. So let me show you something. Let's go to projects. Let me show you something on the project, how to upscale this. So once you're done editing the video and you want to click on, instead of clicking on export, go click on that place where you have AI Ultra HD, move all of this resolution down to up to 4K, put on the optimal flow, the frame rate to up to 60, right, 60 fps. That's what you're promising your client. And you have the code rate at, increase this to the high that's recommended, better image quality, and then click on export. It's going to give you a sweet, cool video quality, right? So let's go back, let's still continue and talk about all this AI video, all the things here on our list. We have AI video, right? You have, well, we have AI story maker. You can use this for your story maker. Just click on it, impute what you're supposed to impute. Let's quickly look at script to video, because I want to like show us all of this. Script to video, all you have to do is write your own script. So you're going to choose what kind of video it is you're making. So let's say it's a commercial video, right? And then you're going to put the script right here. You're going to put the product name right here. You're going to put the brand. You're going to write the script here. You're going to write your target audience. You're going to state how long you want it to be, and you're going to like fill all of this right here. And then you click on generate. After you're done, it's going to generate. You're not going to spend any dime to generate. It's going to be totally for free. You're going to generate commercial. Let me show us the commercial. One commercial I generated one time using this, right? Look at this. All right, I'm going to play this. Tech enthusiasts, welcome. So I'm a tech person, so I made this particular tech video for a brand I was working with at the time. So yeah, so let's get back, and we have custom voiceover for video. You can actually create a custom voiceover for a video. Let me show us, guys. So come over right here. You have custom voice. So you can see right here, it's done generating, and I'm going to play this. So I'm click on play. You are listening to your custom voice. Hope you like it. I do like it. It's my custom voice. So if you scroll the way down and click on product photos right here, and this is a product I just took, right? This works. So I'm just going to click on add here, and you'll see that what's going to happen is it's going to remove the background and actually replace it. So this is the product. So all I have to do is take a nice picture of the product. I didn't take this picture properly, right? And I'm just going to replace it with either of this images, and it's going to fit. So you see, once we're done adding the background, this is what it's going to look like. But if you take a nice picture of your product on a clean background, on a green screen background, this can actually do the work, and you can actually send this to your clients. And yeah, voila. So you just scroll the way down here, you're going to see a fashion model right here. So you can actually snap the picture, get a model, and snap the picture of the clothes, fit it on a model, and it's pretty easy. So the last one I talked about is video editing. So if you want to actually get a career for yourself, which is going to help you in the long run, get a career like video editing, and these days your clients don't want to know what you used for designing your videos, for editing your videos. You can actually use any product, anything to design your videos. You don't need to even learn Adobe Premiere Pro. You can actually learn how to edit videos using CapCut. My videos for brands that I work with, I use CapCut for it, and I use CapCut Pro version for it. So now that you've seen all of this, how do you get CapCut Pro version? How do you get to actually get CapCut Pro version without spending that amount of money? If you want to get this CapCut Pro version for almost free, all you have to do is send me a message on Instagram. So you contact me on Instagram, search for Ebenezer_@link, and you'll be able to contact me on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram, and I'm actually going to send it to you for 1,000 naira. For 1,000 naira, you can actually get this CapCut Pro for free, for almost free, and actually offer all of this 5 gigs on Fiverr, and get to the point where you make money online with this 5 gigs. All right, so it's going to be a piss out right now. I'm going to allow you to look at this 5 gigs, decide which one we're going to actually go into, and get to the point where you start making money off it. All right, see you guys in the next one.